If you sell physical products online, here's a reality. You could be held liable if a customer claims your product caused harm or damage. There are some sellers caught off guard by this, even when the issue wasn't their fault. That's why I recommend looking into product liability coverage. And Next Insurance is a platform that makes this process really simple. They offer e-commerce specific insurance that includes product liability as an option. This coverage helps protect you in case a customer gets injured, falls ill, or experiences property damage from something you sold. And the best part, you can add it to your policy online in minutes without calling an agent. If you're selling anything physical, protect yourself now. Hit the link in the description to explore product liability insurance through Next.